We're out here pre-soaking the house so we can pressure wash it. Darian and I. This house is real filthy, man, I'll tell you. Especially after all that rain and the sun hit it and dried, and when you drive up to it, it looked real like nobody didn't live here. So we're gonna pre-soak this outside and come back and pressure wash it. I'll probably come behind him and pressure wash it and get it clean. He pre-soaking it right now. You ready? Okay, hold on, change it. I'll come behind you. Give me the. I'll come behind you. You put the power, the other one on. Yeah.
I get the soap out.
Good job.
Coming off now. Yeah, it's coming off now. With more of that soap on there. It's like a degreaser. All that dirt and grind it up and bring it up to the forefront. All the water going back and drinking it all out the way. Gotta go side to side. Get all that green out of there. Part here coming off pretty easy. Look at the dirt.
All right, we back. My boy done took over the pressure washer. I guess he trying to show out for me. That's all right. Let him do it. Doing a good job too. Yeah, you can see the dirt coming out of that thing. Red day. Yeah, get down up in there, son. My boy said, Daddy, I got it. So, that's integrity right there. Appreciate it. You know, Daddy get out here in a minute and hit it. But my boy said he got it, so. Yeah. Man, if I had the other phone, guys, you can see the dirt rolling off of there. I tell you, this house looks so much better in the front. Woo, all that. See that wall right there? That wall was green, guys. Seen green sludge everywhere. It's crazy. I don't want to cut down these little bushes in my yard because the lizards, you know, they take away the flies and stuff. So I let the lizards hang out in there. Had them somewhere to hide and take care of all the other little critters and stuff. Them lizards come in handy, I tell you. I don't have too many flies, you know, especially it's about to get hot, so I don't have too many flies hanging around the door and stuff because of the lizards. That's Corey in the window. Yeah, there you go. Getting ready to come to the end. It's a beautiful day starting out here. Early Sunday morning. Look at this dude all in the room, in the window. Now you know he wished that window was open, right? Yeah, that boy, that Corey love water, just like his dad. He all in the window. Man, get out the window. Look how silly he is. Wow. I mean, but this is something like to keep your house, especially the front of your house, good by pressure washing it. I love doing it because I tell you, once the sun hit it and dry it, man, it look like you got yourself a mansion, knowing you don't, but at least you can keep it clean. Whatever you're living in, the outside, the inside, all comes together. Yeah, get that corner good, son. Oh, you pre-soaking that? Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah, I see all that. Wow. Now this part here has a bunch of sludge on it on this corner. I knew it would. Oh, that's the relay switch. Hold on, let me start it up. Hold on, guys. Hit that switch. Yeah. Oh, this thing here. Hold on, let me fix it. We'll be back. I know, right? Yeah, guys, this is the finished look. If you can see it, the sun beaming on the doggone camera. So But we cleaned it pretty good from what it looked like. What it was what it wasn't supposed to look like. Green stains was everywhere. But we got it. We done finished up all the way on around. Now we're getting ready to head to the back. He did a good job getting ready to wrap the equipment up and stuff now and put it back where it goes. Tell everybody peace out. See you. We'll holler at y'all later. Bye.